What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Self-Made Street Cars. Good morning. It is a beautiful Tuesday today. So Mr. Shine, Mr. Self-Made Street Cars called me this morning and said that I should get moving, grab all my camera gear. So here we are, we're loaded up, me and Ween, we're on our way. We're gonna pull up at his house here in a couple hours. He said he's got a couple things he's got to do. I'm gonna run to the storage, probably give you guys a rundown on the Chrysler really quick, but yeah, stay tuned. Well, here we go, we made it. We're gonna go inside and check out the Chrysler, probably look at a couple we're gonna go look at a couple things. Yeah, we're gonna get cracking. Start taking this apart, and then we're gonna go get a new car. Well, this is how she sits for now. Today we're gonna work on taking all of this off. Start connecting some of this BS that we don't need. And yeah, we're gonna start taking this thing apart. Got the carpets out of the Charger. I'm gonna clean those and we're gonna replace the carpets on the inside. I mean, they're not terrible. We want to go with the black theme since this will be an SRT 8 build. So I'm gonna start working on those. Like I said, probably take the front clip off. It's probably gonna be the first thing that I am going to attempt this morning. So while we wait on Self-Made Street Cars, we're just gonna get cracking. Let's go.
Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? I stay ready. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. I'm about to go pick this thing up. You feel me? Big horsepower, all factory. You know, it's a little old, but it's clean though. Can't let it pass us, man. So just stay tuned and see what it is. If y'all really want to see what it is, just stay tuned and check us out. You feel me? Like, share, subscribe. Tap in.
If you've been watching the channel, you already know which one it is.
You know, if you know, you know. Say you ain't ballin' till you get you a Benz. Well, I got me a Benz. It's bought. It's already bought.
It's my favorite car out of all of them. It rises up.
Yeah, it's got the air on it. Ooh.
Yeah, screens. You push a button and the screens come down in the inside.
Yeah, it's sexy, boy.
Yeah, I love that car. I thought he was going to give it to me when he died, but...
For sale, man. I had to get it.
Yeah, I know. That's good for you.
So this is a 2007 Mercedes S65, baby. Boy, liking the Ferrari.
Ferrari? Like I said, you see me in a Ferrari, mind your business.
Got a nice STI out there. Fun fact about this car, I didn't know, the lady was just telling me, 80 plus 6, it's an 86-year-old Italian guy that owns this car and drives on the racetrack. We had this posted on our last video. Some cool shit in here though.
Get a car, you get 2 sets of wheels, you feel me? When you spend the right kind of amount of money. Same wheels. Hey, they for sale if you want them. Putting in that work over there. Might have to have you put me an estimate together, man. For the for a Jeep. I need to get cammed up.
All right.
And tuned up.
I'll camera it up. All right, let me wash my hands and I'm gonna get my brother so he can, I'm gonna gift you the car. So basically you shouldn't have to pay the tax bill.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll work for me. I like that.
I know.
Go ahead, go ahead. Is your brother up there?
I got a,
I like this thing clean. Ooh, Red Sports on that puppy. Just regular SPT. That thing is sure nice though. Man. This car is just so crazy. And those are the kind of wheels that I need on that thing. This thing is going to be absolutely nuts. I'm really excited because this is one of those cars that you don't drive it. This is kind of stays in the garage. So we'll be using it. You got to hire a driver for something like this. Now it is an 07. A lot of people are probably like, oh, that shit's old. They're rare, man. You don't see them. Only has 111,000 miles on it. You don't see them. You don't see them this clean. It's immaculate. Maybe touch the exhaust, but from what he was saying is that it's pretty perfect the way that it sits. So it's absolutely nuts.